Hello students, today I am going to discuss assignment 1 of chapter 1 real number. You must be able to see the questions of the assignment. So these questions we are going to discuss today. I will be teaching one part of each question so that you will know the way of writing and you can do the rest of the parts yourself. So let us start. So first question is, find the HCF of the following using Euclid's algorithm. Right, we already have done in NCERT 1.1 exercise first question. Now these are some extra values are different, question is same. So let me do. So the first part is, we have the statement two numbers are 2419 and 2993. So this is how we have to write. By using Euclid's algorithm, 2993, if we take it as a dividend and we divide it by 2419, so what quotient will be there? Quotient will be 1 and remainder will be 574. As remainder is not 0, so we have to continue. So 2419, previous divisor will become dividend and previous remainder will become divisor. So we got 2419 equal to 574 into 4 plus 123 is the remainder. Now as remainder is not 0, so we will continue. 574, the previous divisor will become dividend, and 123, the previous remainder will become divisor, and we will divide 574 by 123. Quotient will come 4 and remainder will be 82, and we will continue the process. And if you see the last step, 82 is equal to 41 into 2 plus 0. In this step we got the remainder 0, therefore the last divisor becomes the HCF. So HCF of the given two numbers is equal to 41, right? So the other three parts you can do in the similar way, and the answers are given here with. So B part answer is 19, C 13 and D 55, right? Now question number 2. Express each number as a product of its prime factor. Now I have taken the first part. The number is 19530. So we'll do the prime factorization, if you can see here. So we have done the prime factorization, right? Now we will write 19530 is equal to 2 into 3 raised to power 2 into 5 into 7 into 31. The same way you have to do the rest of the parts, and these are the answers of those three parts, other three parts. Next, let us move to next question. Third question, A part. We have to find HCF and LCM of two numbers using prime factorization method. So first part I am going to solve. So two numbers given to us are 426 and 576. The first thing that we will do prime factorization of the two numbers as you see here, and then we will write the prime factorization in power notation. So 426 is equal to 2 into 3 into 71. 576 is 2 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 2. So HCF of two or more numbers using prime factorization method is the product of common prime factors with their lowest exponent. So what is HCF? Product of common prime factors with their lowest power, right? So HCF is 6. As you see, 2 and 3 are the common factors and their lowest power is 1. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. LCM. Now LCM under prime factorization method is the product of all the prime factors taken once with their highest exponent. Product of all the prime factors, whether common or no, taken once with their highest power. So if you see in the prime factorization of two numbers, which prime factors we are able to see? 2, 3 and 71. And we have to take the highest exponent of each of these factors. So 2 highest power is 6. It is available in whichever number, doesn't matter. Highest power we have to see. So 2 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 2 into 71. That product comes to 40,896 is the LCM. And same way you can do the other parts, and the answers of the other parts are given here that you can see. Try the questions, and in case you have any problem, feel free to ask in comment box. I will reply your queries. Right? Thank you.